Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd. Wow, it feels like a Monday after kind of a long weekend here. Hope you guys had a great weekend, enjoyed yourselves, were able to relax and start off the week on a short week here. We got a couple items here on the economic calendar. We'll start off with the ISM manufacturing for the month of August. So July's last reporting came in at 51.2. However, August not so good. It came in at 49.1. And what does this mean? Anything below 50 on this index represents contraction. So this is the first time we've seen contraction on the ISM in about 3 years here. So obviously that's not going to sit too well with investors who are already jittery about talks of recession. So again, about the last 3 years, we have not seen us going to contraction period on manufacturing, and we're seeing that today. We did see some on last week's report as well. Construction spending, we got, sorry about that. In construction spending in June, it dropped to 1.3%. However, in July, it improved to rising 0.1%. So it got out of the negative, even though it didn't obviously go up that much. Now, stocks are down. Coupled with that manufacturing, the tariffs went into place September 1st. So Saturday, or actually Sunday, excuse me, Sunday actually, the tariffs went into place from both China and U.S. side. Investors, of course, are a little sour on the talk of tariffs, as it seems like that's escalating the tensions between the U.S. and China. So those took place, and then coupled with the drop in manufacturing is what's kind of bringing the stock market down. The Dow is down over 300 so far this morning. So let's see how this is treating the bond market and see what rates are doing. Rates are actually doing quite well from it. It's basically going from money flowing from the equity market, which stocks, flowing into the bonds and yields, treasuries, bonds and yields, where mortgage-backed securities lie. And that money is going into those. And here we're breaking above that line here. So we broke above it Friday, and we're continuing that so far. And we did test the line so far this morning. And right now we're up about 9 basis points, and I'm seeing this kind of drift upwards. So right now we're about the same as where we left off on Friday. However, we could see a price change for the better if this continues. Right now, things are looking to the positive. This could be the catalyst we've been kind of waiting for. As you can see here, for almost the whole month of August, we've been kind of going this sideways pattern. We may have received that catalyst. Again, what we're looking for to get that bump upwards, which will help improve interest rates. So interest rates currently a little about the same as what we left off on Friday. However, I'll put a little caveat in there that we could see a price improvement later today if this continues going upwards. Here's yields. Yields are breaking, as you see, it broke below that line of floor support. It could be on its way down to this 1.365, which would be the lowest we've ever really reached on record. So this might be again the catalyst again, kind of pushing the yields down for sure. It's been kind of a pretty strong floor of support, and right now it looks like it could give that final push that we've been kind of waiting for. And again, this is kind of helping out mortgage-backed securities, thus helping out interest rates. All right, so that's pretty much a wrap for the day. Mortgage rates so far this morning, I would say about the same as Friday. However, again, with the caveat would be we may see that continue. If that continues upwards, we could see a price improvement of the day. If you guys are looking to refinance or buy, I'd love to be able to talk to you guys. I am a loan officer. You could help support my channel by supporting me. And my company does loans in all 50 states. We do all the different financing from your jumbo loans to conventional loans to FHA loans to VA loans, USDA. We have niche loans. We have loans specific for real estate investors. We have bank statement loan programs, which are especially important for those who are self-employed borrowers. We got 4 national loans. And we also got 2 loans that are specific for only CMG's clients. And that is the all-in-one loan, which is where you combine your bank account and your mortgage into one, and basically by doing so, if you have good cash flow, you'll be able to pay off your mortgage much quicker, and thus saving yourself potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars of interest. I have a couple clients I'm working with right now. The ones we're working on, it looks like we could be paying off about a $540,000 loan. Say them compared to a 20-year, it was about $141,000 in interest payments, and they'll have it paid off just under 7 years. The other one, very similar to that one, it was that That one was about 10 years, so about 10 years, but it was again about 540,000 on a compared to a 30-year note, and they had a niche program, so that's why the rate was a little bit higher. But their interest savings would be almost a $500,000. So just kind of give you a heads up on this type of program. If you got questions on that program, please direct message me. Home Fund, it's another loan program that's fantastic for first-time home buyers. Could be great for people who have uh, something that's life-changing events in their life, where they're being displaced from their homes. We got the hurricanes going on in Florida, so this could be a great program to help those people get back onto their feet. Some of those people who may have lost their homes. We got or wildfires or tornadoes or anything else. Somebody who's going through a divorce, it could be great for somebody that now has to look for another home and needs some assistance for down payment on another home. And also could be, it's a program we can set it up so that way you have it as a wedding registry. So if you're getting married and don't want really all the little trinkets and want to be able to use the extra help to finance a new home, this could be a great program for that as well. Again, direct message me for any questions on those. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.